Hi, I'm Dr. Manisha Mishra and today we discuss edible oils, which is best, which is not good and which should be completely avoided when we are cooking our meals. Oils are a part of cooking and oils in Ayurveda are used for three purposes. One is for cooking, one is for medicinal purpose and third is table oil. Just like table salt, you can dress your salads or just pour on your food and eat. Coming to edible oils, the word tel, which is the Sanskrit word for oil, comes from the word til. And til or sesame is the best oil recommended by Ayurveda for cooking and application both. It is sweet, warming, slightly pungent, post-digestive sweet as well, and highly nourishing and suitable for every climate and every person. Ideally, it is Vata Kapha Shamak or balances Vata and Kapha both, but it is also suitable for Pitta people if we add certain herbs while cooking. So, Sroto Shodhan, it helps clear all the channels. Varnaya, which improves complexion. Garbhashaya Shodhan, it is something which helps improve your reproductive, especially for women. If you have menstrual problems, til oil is the best medium to cook your food with. It also is good for brain health, cognitive functions, and overall nourishing all your tissues. Til is sarvopari. Then comes sarshap or mustard oil. Mustard oil is very pungent, post-digestive pungent too, and good for people who want to lose weight as it is lekhaniya. It helps scrape off anything which is excess. People who have acidity should avoid mustard oil. It is very pungent and can aggravate your acids. You shift to til oil or coconut oil while cooking. Otherwise, til is good for everybody for application and oral consumption both. The third oil, which is commonly used, is peanut oil, very warming, almost close to olive oil in its texture and taste, and suitable for cooking for everybody, not suitable for deep frying. It is a good oil to be used. Vata Kapha Shamak, slightly Pitta Vardhak, that means it aggravates Pitta a little. Coconut oil, absolutely cooling, sweet, cooling, post-digestive cooling too. It is high in saturated fats. If you put it on room temperature, it solidifies. It is Pitta balancing, suitable for people who have acidity and prone to poor digestive health. They can cook their food in coconut oil. But remember, coconut oil has very less omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. So you can mix two oils, or alternatively, which I suggest everybody, keep changing your oils. Use coconut for 1 month, sesame for 1 month, or peanut for 1 month. That is how you keep on rotating oils. It is good for overall wellness. What is the difference between a cold pressed, wood pressed, refined and filter oil? सबसे पहले cold pressed oil. Cold pressed is what it is. No heat applied and it is extracted on around 50 degrees centigrade. It retains almost most nutrition. It does not go through a lot of oxidative stress and very, very good for your health, for your gut health and mental health both. Suitable for everybody, ideal for cooking. Second is wood pressed. Wood pressed is your kachi ghani oil where it is pressed, कोल्हू से जो निकाला जाता है. Much more nourishing than cold pressed. It has a distinct flavor. It is not deodorized, so it will have smell and flavor, and the shelf life is very small. It can turn rancid very, very soon. So these are wood pressed and cold pressed oils, super for cooking, not suitable for deep frying, as they oxidize at very high temperatures. Now the filtered oil. If you are unable to find cold pressed or wood pressed oil, then the other option to choose is a filtered oil. Filtered oil is something which is not as good as cold pressed. Some heat is applied, but the aroma and taste is maintained. It is filtered multiple times, but it is not bleached or heated a lot. So it retains a lot of nutrients. It's not bad for cooking or even deep frying. Filtered is a good choice to use while cooking. And the fourth one, refined oil. Refined matlab refined, something which is absolutely clear of color. Deodorized is taste which is removed. It is extracted at a very high temperature. Some chemicals are used to extract this oil, and because it looks good, does not smell bad, people use it a lot. Can be used for deep frying अगर आप रोज़ ही पूरियाँ तलते हैं या ऐसा कुछ खाना है आपका, then refined oil is a choice for cooking oils, but don't use it daily. Also remember one thing, if you have deep fried something in oil, please discard that oil and do not reuse it next day for any kind of tadka. It has lost its nutrition and it can only damage your health. It is known that if you keep on reusing oil, it can cause atherosclerosis or damage to your arteries leading to heart problems. Please do not do it. आप इसके बाद ये जो आपकी कोल्ड प्रेस एंड वुड प्रेस्ड ऑयल है ना, ये सलाद ड्रेसिंग के बड़े काम आते हैं। और इसमें आपका तिल का तेल हो गया, सरसों का तेल हो गया। इनफैक्ट बचपन की मेमोरीज ऐसी हैं कि हमारे यहाँ आलू का भरता बनता था तो उसमें सरसों का तेल ऐसे ही कच्चा डाला जाता था एंड इट हैज़ अमेजिंग फ्लेवर। दिस इज़ हाउ टेबल ऑयल्स आर यूज्ड। इसमें आमंड ऑयल भी कुकिंग के लिए अच्छा नहीं है, बट आप सैलड ड्रेसिंग के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं। सेम विद ऑलिव ऑयल, कोल्ड प्रेस्ड, वुड प्रेस, सुपर। आप उसको अपने सलाद पर डालिए, 1 घंटा रखिए एंड यू विल हैव लवली फ्लेवर्स एंड इट इज़ गुड फॉर योर डाइजेस्टिव हेल्थ टू। Which oil can be used for cooking and application for skin both? In fact, all the oils, तिल का तेल, सरसों का तेल, ऑलिव ऑयल, कोकोनट ऑयल, आप खा भी सकते हैं, लगा भी सकते हैं। सरसों का तेल का स्पेशल है कि अगर आपको अर्टिकेरिया या खुजली होती है बार बार विद चकत्ते पड़ के, तो सरसों का ऑयल इज़ गुड कंडूगनर, इचिंग कम करता है और आप उसको लगा सकते हैं। कोकोनट ऑयल गुड फॉर हेयर, गुड फॉर स्किन, गुड फॉर इंटरनल कंजम्पशन टू। तो ये सारे ऑयल्स दोनों ही अच्छे हैं। एक चिरौंजी का तेल है, बहुत आसानी से नहीं मिलता है, बट इट इज़ गुड फॉर कुकिंग और सैलड ड्रेसिंग एंड एप्लीकेशन टू। नीम ऑयल जो कि मेडिसिनल ऑयल है, इज़ ओनली सूटेबल फॉर एप्लीकेशन, उससे खाना नहीं बनता। नाउ हाउ मच ऑयल शुड वी कंज्यूम डेली? फॉर 1 मील, अगर आप 5-6 लोग हैं तो 1 मील शुड यूज़ अराउंड 2 to 3 टीस्पून्स ऑफ ऑयल। तो एक सब्ज़ी आप इतने तेल में बना सकते हैं। थोड़ा तेल आपके खाने में होना ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज अ लिटिल फैट हेल्प्स डाइजेशन ऑफ प्रोटीन एंड एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ प्रोटीन टू। So do not completely cut away fat unless your doctor or your nutritionist is telling you.